तो तुगे पंचायतांत काम करतालो 9 म्हयन्यांनी काम केलां तेजे कांय कंप्लेन केलें ना म्हाका जाण जावपा जाय हे कित्याक पॉलिटिकल विक्टिमायझेशन कित्याक परिवर्तन हे केलें हे करपाक आय एम आस्किंग
स्पीकर सर अख्ख्या गोंयची लांबी 105 किलोमीटर आसा ही हांव जाणा ताणें 125 बीन व्हेली हल्ली गोंय कितें विस्तार जाल्लो आसा तशें हांवें आयकूं ना कर्नाटका घेता का सावंतवाडी घेता हांव नकळो म्हणजे सारको तेरेखोलचो मनीस सुद्दां जर काणकोणा ट्रान्सफर केलो जाल्यार 110 वयर वचूं शकना स्पीकर सर वोदो आमचो ऑनरेबल मेंबर प्रमोद सावंतान म्हाका सेक्रेटरींक ट्रेनिंग दिवपाची तुजी कल्पना आसा का कितें अशें म्हाका विचारलेलें सेक्रेटरींक हांवें म्हटलें ट्रेनिंग दिवची गरज ना सेक्रेटरी इल्ले भरपूर ट्रेन्ड आसात आतां पळयात खंयचे सेक्रेटरी आनी कोणाच्या तोंडांतसून आपले प्रश्न काडटात त्यामुळे सेक्रेटरी कितले ट्रेन असतात ते पळय स्पीकर सर ताणें जें म्हटलें तुवें ताका बदल्लो तुवें ताका ट्रान्सफर केलो हांव ट्रान्सफर करना ट्रान्सफर डायरेक्टर करता आनी त्यामुळे गोंया खातीर अपॉयंट केल्लो पंचायत संचालनालयाक अपॉयंट जाल्लो मनीस हो ट्रान्सफर केल्ले कडेन वचूंक जाय ताका जर 20 किलोमिटरा वयर ताची ट्रान्सफर आसत जाल्यार ताणें थंय आपलो संवसार घेवन वचूंक जाय बिराड घेवन वचूंक जाय आनी ताचो TADA ताका कितें तो मेळटा
स्पीकर सर लोकांक कोण न्ही गोंयच्यांक बिराड घेवन वचपा जाय म्हण स्पीकर सर वन लास्ट क्वेश्चन तुवें आतां डायरेक्ट कितले रूल म्हणले आय विल टेल यू हाव मेनी रुल्स ही हॅज ब्रोकन रूल नंबर 1 3 वर्सां जावन हांवें ताका ट्रान्सफर केलो बायल भुरगीं तेगेली ती सुबी भायर हांवें ती सोड तालुका ट्रान्सफर केलो तुवें एक तालुकासान दुसरो तालुका मारलो 26 जानेवारी जून तुवें ते ट्रान्सफर काडली कित्याक मिडल ऑफ द इयर तेगे भुरग्यांक त्रास जाताले शिकला मागीर तुवें इन्स्ट्रुमेंट ऑफ हॅरेसमेंट तो ऑनर्स मनीस तुवें तेका त्रास केलो प्लस तेगे कांय अशी सर्वीस नासली की तूं ट्रान्सफर करपाक तूं डायरेक्टराचेर कितें एक्शन घेतालो डायरेक्टर तुगेलो काय डायरेक्टर आनी कोणा गेलो
आय ऑब्जेक्ट टू दिस क्वेश्चन एक मिनिट ही विधानसभा गोयच्या लोकां खातीर चलता ही विधानसभा एखाद्या सरकारी नोकरा खातीर चलता द ट्रान्सफर इज इन पब्लीक इंटरेस्ट द इश्यू इज ओवर ताचे सगळे रूल आहा पळय फुडलो रूल ताणें वाचचो ताका खबर ना जाल्या
This is only victimization. This is only victimization. What not interest? तुम जायते interest ना कोण ना काही assembly कित्याक करता तू
सरकारी नोकराक एक मिनिट सरकारी नोकराक आपले हे मांडपाक तरेतरेच्यो एव्हेन्यूज आसा there are ombudsmen there are courts I will show you hundreds of cases where people have gone to court against injustice. If the concerned person feels that injustice is done, he has to go through the avenues. The issue cannot be raised like this in the assembly.
Speaker sir, Speaker sir, तुक जाय ते कोण नाका लोकां जोय न्ही कोण न्ही गोंयचे लोकां कोण न्ही 100 किलोमीटर भायर मारलो म्हण ताका मांड न्ही कितें हें चल्लां असेंब्लीन कित्याक करता तूं
हांव वदळ सांगता की एखादो सेक्रेटरी किंवा खंयचोच गव्हर्नमेंट सर्वंट आमी अपॉयंट करता तो स्टेटी खातीर आसता आनी त्यामुळे राज्याच्या ज्युरिस्डिक्शनान ताका खंय धाडलो जाल्यार ताणें वचूंक जाय हांव वदळ एक सांगा की काही सेक्रेटरीज हे खरे ट्रेन आसात ते सभागृह सुद्दां वापरून घेतात आनी आमदारांक सुद्दां वापरून घेतात पळयात कितले ट्रेन आसात ते पळयात
ते ट्रेनिंग दिवपाक तूं हे सभागृहाक सांगपा नाका
सुभाष फळदेसाय
स्पीकर सर विषय सेक्रेटरी
एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन कशें चलोवपाचें हे आमकां सांगपाची गरज ना गव्हर्नमेंट नोज हाव टू रन द एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन
सुभाष फळदेसाय
सेक्रेटरी आतांच माननीय मंत्र्यांनी सांगिल्लें आसा सेक्रेटरी हुशार आसात तांचे बेजीक क्वॉलिफिकेशनूय ग्रॅज्युएशन आसचें पडटा सेक्रेटरी वो पब्लीक इन्फॉर्मेशन ऑफिसर म्हणून पंचायतीन काम करता ताका कॉरस्पॉन्डन्स करपाची सगळी हे स्किल्स आसचे पडटा खुबशे फावटी पयसुल्ल्यान आयिल्ले तांकां सगळ्यांक बेगीन हें करपा खातीर सेक्रेटरी एक इम्पॉर्टंट मनीस जावन आसा पंचायतीन आयज आमी पळयलें जर जाय ताजे पे स्केल आनी पे बँड जर पळयलें जर जाय जाल्यार खूब कमी आसा एखादे वेळी LDCचो पगार आनी सेक्रेटरीचो पगार हातूंत भितर कांय फरक उरना 12वी पास जाल्लो किंवा अशें कितें सरकारा कडेन योजना आसा काय
बदल्यांचो प्रश्न आसा बदल्यांचेर उलोवया आमी ट्रान्सफर्स आसात ताजेर कितें आसा
Speaker sir.
डिबेट नाका सो ताजेर आनी सप्लिमेंटरी कित्याक विचारतात?
स्पीकर सर पण क्वेश्चन विचारणारो मदींच सोडून वचूं येता? जाग्यारूच ना तो.
पुढे बरोबर आहे, सगळे मुद्दे आमकां मांडपाकय मेळटात. फुडलो प्रश्न श्री पांडुरंग मडकयकर. You are too early for the question.
Speaker sir. Speaker sir, I may be permitted to ask question number 5A.
Yeah, permitted. Sir, 5A म्हणून सांग.
LAQ number 5A. Sir, Speaker sir, as per the answer, written answer provided, the government has been admitted that the Ulka Seafood Private Limited is discharging the noxious liquid substance in the Kumarjua Banastari Canal. I want to know from the Honorable Minister when the last inspection was done for this plant and on this river.
Speaker sir, the last inspection was carried out on the 5th of March 2013. And
okay, was that time the plant was functioning there?
yes, during this inspection, the following observations were made. Speaker sir, both units were non-operational, and it was seen that the machinery of the unit was being dismantled and was being loaded to trucks. On inquiry, it was informed that the machinery was being shifted to their sister concern in Maharashtra. Further, on inquiry regarding the unloading of the tanker at Margaon with respect to sludge, it was informed that the ETP sludge from the factory was being sent by truck, 7 trips. It was being sent...
Speaker sir, the minister what replies, is what you are answering is what the plant has been submitted to information.
No, this
listen,
is what
listen
was...
me. This management has submitted the report to you that you are answering here. Actually, the fact is that
Speaker
still
sir,
that plant is working till
Speaker
now.
Sir,
Better answer first.
Speaker sir, this is not what the management sent, but this is what the Goa State Pollution Control Board found when they went for an inspection.
Speaker sir, now they can visit the plant. The plant is still functioning there, and today they are discharging their wastewater in the river. You can carry out the inspection today also.
Okay, they haven't totally finished with leaving the site. Maybe whatever finished products are left are being moved out. But they are definitely moving out and closing the unit. And the reason they have given for shutting down operations is due to allegations of pollution made by the public in general. Further to that, the Goa Pollution Control Board carried out a test report of the water in the canal, and it has been found that the samples are as per the normal limits, the readings.
Speaker sir, finish? Okay. Speaker sir, I want to know from the Honorable Minister, is there any other such kind of the unit discharging the wastewater or the noxious liquid substance in the same river?
Please repeat the question.
I want to know from the Minister that does any other such kind of the unit is discharging the wastewater or the noxious liquid in this river?
In the same river?
Same river.
I'm not aware of, but maybe we can carry out some inquiries and find out, or maybe the Honorable MLA can give us the information if he is aware of it.
Is that fish product
whatever available in that river is consumable?
The fish
Consumable for the
products?
human- yeah, fish product.
According to the information that I have received, yes.
No, if the government is aware about this matter and pollution in this river, why the government has not taken any action against this management?
Against the management of Ulka?
Against the management, yeah.
I think the government has taken enough action against
You have only advised him to close down the unit. But what action you are taking against the management who has already polluted the river?
Honorable member,
Now,
That is the biggest action.
refer to me.
but biggest action, see, the management that didn't close down the unit.
Yes.
Till today it is running.
The last
The processing things are going on.
Yes. The Goa Pollution Control Board had issued a notice to close or suspend the operations with immediate effect until further orders. But after that, they applied again saying that they would put the system in place, and on inspection, it was found that there was no pollution for a
Because,
while.
years and years they are just promising, they are fooling the government, and they are mischieving with the people, and they are only when the inspection is done, that time they stop the discharging water, and after few days again they start discharging the water.
In fact, the Pollution Control Board ordered the Principal Chief Engineer, Public Works Department, to ensure that the supply of water to the unit was stopped. Further, the Chief Electrical Engineer, Electricity Department, was also directed to ensure that the supply of electricity to the unit of Ulka Seafoods Private Limited was stopped.
Okay, will the minister assure me today that today itself the Pollution Control Board will go and inspect this plant?
After they reapplied, after they reapplied, they were allowed on only trial production for 3 months. And now, within that period, they are in the process of shifting out. So actually, I don't know, I think
that is one. Shifting is the one.
The fact that they are shifting out settles the issue.
Shifting is the one question. Regarding the pollution of this river, local fishermen has been deprived from the fishing. Traditional fishermen are deprived from the fishing. There is a lot of pollution over there. What action you are initiating against this management?
Against the management.
Against them, because they already polluted this river. Now, for so many years, the local fishermen are deprived from fishing.
According to the water samples that were tested, they are within the parameters.
Okay, I want only one simple assurance from the minister that are you going to inspect this plant today itself so that government will know whether the plant is running there or not?
But not today. At the end of the assembly session, I will personally inspect and find out and take necessary action to see that whatever can be done to...
You are giving the time to patch up the work, patch up the things, whatever the pollution made there. You should not give them time.
That is not my aim.
Yeah, they are closing.
That is definitely not my aim, but since the assembly session is going on, I give you assurance that I will visit the site soon, sometime in the first week of May itself.
फुडल्या विषयाकडे वळूया. फुडल्या विषय ना मातशें पांडुरंग बाब बस. पांडुरंग बाब, nothing will go on record. You sit down.